Hi, welcome to Fiscal Solutions YouTube channel. Since fiscalization in Germany is still a hot topic, today we will see what happens when TSC is not responding in the offline mode. For the first time in our studio today is our technical product manager, Istvan Božoki. Welcome, Istvan.
Thank you.
Istvan, what is the offline mode for the German fiscalization?
In Germany, one of the mandatory fiscal elements is the TSE, or so-called technical security device. In case the TSE is not responding due to some reasons, we are talking about the offline scenario. The following reasons can cause the offline scenario. So either the internet connection is down, or the USB port fails on the POS, or we have some accidental removal of the USB TSC stick.
Okay, and what technical difficulties can cause the offline scenario?
Regarding the TSC, as we know that the start transaction will create a fiscal transaction ID. This ID is used for tracking and linking the update and the finished transaction of the same. In cases of the start transaction is not finished, the same transaction will remain open in the TSCs. These are called open transactions. There is no time limitation in which the transaction must be finished once started. The only limitation is the maximum amount of open transactions which can be stored in the TSC device. This restriction can cause some issues in the retail process. So how do we resolve or overcome these issues of the max open transactions? We have to track the number of open transactions and close only those that are already issued to the customers. We also have to execute the close open transactions function at the end of the open working day when there are no more transactions that need to be issued or signed.
What common cases can occur in the real life?
Usually we have two common cases. The one is that the transaction doesn't reach the TSC. The start transaction is offline. In these cases, we don't have any open transactions in the TSC device. The other is the start transaction is online and the finish or the update transaction is offline. This will cause the open transaction in the TSC device.
And how can we handle an offline scenario in Germany?
In Germany, the post is allowed to print the receipts in offline cases with the label in German, the Steuergerät ist offline, or in English, the security device is offline. And these transactions will not have a signature, but in cases of audits, the POS will create the DSV-VK export in which these transactions will be visible. At the same time, on the TSC device, we will have the log, which will have an open transaction in case the start transaction succeeded, and in case the transaction is not closed, we will have the closed transactions function, which is visible also in the TSC log. And so when the TSC device is maybe faulty for some reasons, we need to report it to the tax authority, and it must be handled as soon as it's possible.
Thank you, Istvan, for all provided information and for being my guest today.
Thank you.
In the following period, we are preparing webinars. First in a row will be held on November the 5th, during which we will discuss obligatory POS exports in Germany. All additional information about this webinar you can find on our web page. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. And of course, see you next week. Bye.